Aloha mai kākou, o wau o kui, o ka ʻōlelo o kēia la, o ia hoʻi o kaikuahine. Okay, today's word of the day is kaikuahine. Kaikuahine or keikuahine. Maikai, maikai. Let's try and say that. Kaikuahine. Okay, now there's another way to say it. Keikuahine. Okay, kaikuahine means a sister of a boy. So if you're a boy and you have a sister, that is your kaikuahine. Okay, it doesn't matter how old they are. You have a kaikuahine if you have a sister. Now girls, you would not say this at all. Because if you have a sister, there's different words for that. So this word is only for boys. Okay? Boys who have sisters. Kaikuahine. A sister of a boy. Okay? Let's try and use that in a sentence. He kaikuahine kona. He kaikuahine kona. Which means he has a sister. Let's try it a little bit faster. He kaikuahine kona. Maikai. Mahalo. Mahalo.